How to enable or disable Gboard Smart Replies on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, we tap on Gboard Settings. Now in Settings, tap on Corrections and Suggestions. Then we scroll down and tap on Smart Replies. From here, tap on Smart Replies checkbox or the toggle button here to switch it off or turn it on. Here it says Show Suggestion Chip Replies based on your app conversations. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.